At DCS Techno Services Private Limited, we take pride in bringing world-class safety solutions to India's construction industry. As the exclusive distributor of AMCS Technologies in India, we recently organized a comprehensive training session for Larsen & Toubro Construction at their corporate office in AM Naik Towers, Powai, Mumbai. To make this program a success, we flew in expert trainers from Paris and an installation specialist from Dubai, ensuring top-tier guidance and support. The training was conducted in both English and Hindi, helping L&T's engineering teams fully grasp the working of AMCS anti-collision systems, from installation and programming to calibration. One of the highlights was the use of simulation techniques, which allowed participants to experience real-time scenarios and understand the product's power without even stepping onto a job site. At DCS Techno, our mission is to deliver not just technology, but reliable support, training, and long-term safety solutions for India's construction and infrastructure leaders.